Hey boo, welcome. So this is the condition of my hair. I just had my hair in this braids for about a week, and so we're just going to be re-moisturizing my hair and just ensuring that we have a very good stretch for the hairstyle that we're doing. I am really excited about showing you guys this hairstyle. It's very easy, very low maintenance, and very neat, if I may say so myself. Okay, and you can definitely rock this hairstyle anywhere. So I've parted my hair into 3 parts, 1 at the back and 2 in front. And then we're going to start the moisturizing process. So it's very important that you moisturize your hair before doing this protective style, because it's going to help you keep moisture in your hair until you undo your protective style. So I basically had this protective style in for about 2.5 weeks before I removed it. So it is very important that you are very thorough with moisture. Y'all know I emphasize on this. Okay, girl. So because of the way my hair was so dry, I started off by spraying it with some water. Never mind the bottle that y'all was. So it's just an instrument, okay? And then I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to make sure that I've worked that into my hair before I put my cream. So y'all are also free to use your oils in this case. You are allowed to moisturize your hair the way that you feel is best. I already have a moisturizing routine on the channel, so I'm going to make sure I link it in the description box and the cards above. So I'm just going to be putting some gel around the perimeter of my parts just to make sure that they're very sleek and nice. In this case, I'm using my Cantu styling gel just on the perimeters of my hair. Y'all don't have to go overboard with this. It's just to help, the hair lay down a bit more, because we don't want to make it tight. And so I am going to start my African hair threading, and I am using Brazilian wool to do this. I'm just going to show you guys once how you do your African hair threading. So of course, on my roots, I'm just going to go a few times just to make sure that I've got a good grip. So I'm in no way implying that it should be tight. There's a difference between a good grip and tightness. So yeah, we're going to see at the end of this clip how loose it actually is, but still looks very, very nice and neat and well put together. And so I already have some tutorials on African hair threading already on the channel, and if you care to learn, I am going to have them linked again in the description box and in the cards above. So African hair threading is basically like doing a twist, but you're twisting with your Brazilian wool and your hair. And as you're twisting, it's actually really tight, and you just want to also make sure that you've got the same sizes in between the little spaces. And some people actually go all the way. When I say all the way, I mean they cover their entire hair inside the thread. So if that is something that you may want, you can also try that. I'm just going to tie a knot, and I'm going to do the other side of my hair, and then I'm going to show you guys what I meant when I say that the hair is actually not very tight to the scalp. It's rather a good grip, which is very important if you really want your hairstyle to come out neatly. Okay, so this is just me showing you guys that it's not tight to the roots. It is just a good grip, and it's very important because we gotta save those edges, girl. We gotta serve those edges, and it's not healthy anyway for blood flow on your hair. So it's very important that it's not tight. So we're gonna tackle the back now, and all I'm doing is I'm putting those strands from the front to the back, and then I'm hiding it inside the hair. Okay, so having done that, I'm just going to take that thread but instead of doing a full blown African hair threading strand, if I can say, I'm just going to do the roots and I'm just going to tie it. So you can absolutely leave it like this. This can be a vibe, or you guys can put it in a bun if you like. I've decided to put mine in a bun. You can also get an extension and just put it on that part as well. So I'm just attempting to do a bun, and I'm doing the kind that you twist and then you tuck at the bottom. I'm definitely going to make sure that I create a tutorial for you on how you can make different buns with your hair. Then I'm just going to accessorize, and you know, girl, you're ready to rock the world. Go show them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like and a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of this hairstyle. See you guys in the next one.